Today we're going to be diving into one of the most classic and elegant reactions in orgochem, and it's called the Diels-Alder reaction. So what is the Diels-Alder reaction? So it's a reaction between a conjugated diene and a dienophile, and it forms a six-membered ring. And it's important to note that no catalyst is required for this reaction mechanism to occur, and it usually does happen under mild conditions. So let's break down what a conjugated diene actually is. So let's use this example here. So it is a diene is two conjugated double bonds, which means there is a single bond in the middle separating them. So in this example, we would have a 1,2,3 butadiene. And then the dienophile is a molecule that loves reacting with the diene, and it usually contains a double or triple bond and has an electron withdrawing groups like carbonyls or nitriles to make them more reactive. For example, this molecule would be our dienophile, reacting with our diene. So how does the reaction mechanism actually move forward in this case? And it's important to note that it's a concerted reaction, meaning everything happens in one step. And it goes as follows. So the dienophile will reach out to form a bond with that double bond. So those electrons get pushed, and that further gets pushed to form a bond with that. So it's important to know that you're going to form two new sigma bonds and one pi bond, which would be this right here. And so the product would look like this: a six-membered cyclohexane with our original carbonyl group. And these methyls I added because some existed here. I think one thing that is going to be really helpful for this reaction is your numbering. So you can number this as 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you can see, this would be our 1, that would be our 2, 3, 4. And if you want, you can go ahead and number this 5 and 6. And as you can see, everything follows. We have our double bond between our 2 and 3, and then we form that single bonds, 2 sigma bonds between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 over here. And that would be our final products. Well, thank you guys for watching, and drop a comment on what would you guys want me to cover next. And there's also, I provide additional assistance in the Discord in the link in bio.